Morning, John. This is wanted to show you the bottom of your boat is basically all done. So we've got painting to do, sanding to do, but as far as all the hard work, that's all done. So right now, today, Jeff and Tabitha are applying the chine cap. It's a sacrificial. Your boat had one of these before, and so we're replacing it as the last step. It's kind of a sacrificial cap here. If you were to hit anything, then we have just a 2-inch wide plank to replace instead of a 6 or 8-inch wide plank. So the crisscrosser built that way, and your hacker was built that way originally as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm working on building today, and what I'd like to do is, since we've gotten to a milestone event right here, I'd like to get the building done for that milestone, and then I used your down payment to where we're pretty close to even. You owe me just a little, just a little bit, and then we're going to start the strip and refinish, and so we'll do an additional down payment. You'll understand this when you see it on paper, I'm sure. We'll do an additional down payment for that process because basically we've used up your original down payment on the completion of the bottom. I felt it's easier, you know, if we have a milestone here. We said we think this getting this far is going to cost so much money, and so I'm basically charging you so much money to get to this point, and then we will. Like I say, it's this milestone event, and then we'll know that we did what we said we were going to do, and we'll move on to the rest of the strip and refinish on the sides. If you recall, we elected not to do strip and finish on the decks because the decks were in better shape. So anyway, just wanted to show you this milestone event and get our finances in order during this week, and we'll keep going. Thank you.